Welcome to this presentation on performance evaluation of a digitizer circuit for 4-wire type resistive sensor. This research was conducted by Shiraz Sohail et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial challenge in the world of measurement, getting truly accurate readings from our sensors. Imagine you're trying to measure something critical, like the temperature inside a delicate chemical process or the pressure in an aircraft engine. You rely on sensors, but there's a hidden enemy that can silently sabotage your data: the connecting wires themselves. Did you know that invisible resistance in these wires can skew critical measurements by several degrees, leading to wasted energy, compromised product quality, or even significant safety concerns? This lead resistance changes with temperature and wire length, making precise measurements incredibly difficult. Our research tackles this fundamental problem head-on. So, how do we fix this stretchy ruler problem? Imagine you're trying to weigh a tiny precious item, but your scale always includes the weight of the container. Our circuit acts like a smart scale that automatically subtracts the container's weight, giving you only the true weight of your item. Our method uses a clever two-step process called a dual-slope integrator. In simple terms, the circuit first charges a small capacitor, then discharges it. By precisely timing these two phases and integrating the sensor directly into the circuit's feedback path, we can mathematically cancel out the unwanted lead resistance. This unique design, using just 3 core components, an amplifier, an integrator, and a comparator, allows us to get a clean, accurate reading of the sensor's resistance, completely independent of the connecting wires. The big win from our research is achieving crystal clear readings every single time. We put our circuit to the test with a common temperature sensor, a PT100, across a wide range of temperatures. The results were outstanding. We achieved an average measurement error of just plus or minus 0.32%. That's incredibly precise for real-world applications. What's more, our circuit proved its robustness by maintaining this accuracy even when the lead wires were extended to simulate lengths of up to 314 meters, with less than 1% error. This means sensors can be placed far away without compromising data integrity. The measurement process is also super fast, completing within a single charge-discharge cycle, typically under 90 milliseconds. This combination of high accuracy, long-distance capability, and speed truly sets our solution apart. So, how does this fit into our world today? In an increasingly connected and automated society, accurate sensor data is the backbone of countless systems. From ensuring the safety of a nuclear power plant to optimizing the yield in a smart farm, precise measurements are non-negotiable. Our digitizer circuit offers a simple, cost-effective, and highly accurate way to interface with resistive sensors, making existing systems more reliable and enabling new possibilities. Imagine a large factory floor where temperature sensors are spread across vast distances. Our technology ensures that every single reading is trustworthy, regardless of the cable length or environmental fluctuations. This simplifies complex sensor installations, reduces maintenance, and ultimately leads to more efficient, safer, and smarter operations across industries like manufacturing, aerospace, and environmental monitoring. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, this research has the potential to subtly but significantly improve many aspects of our daily lives. First, in your home, smarter thermostats will get more accurate temperature readings, leading to better energy efficiency and a more comfortable living environment. Second, in the food industry, processing plants will achieve more precise temperature control, reducing spoilage and improving food safety from farm to table. Third, in manufacturing, factories will optimize their processes with exact measurements, cutting waste, boosting production, and ultimately making products more affordable. Fourth, our infrastructure, like bridges and buildings, can be monitored with greater accuracy for stress and strain, helping to prevent failures and ensure public safety. Finally, in energy production, power plants will operate more efficiently with precise temperature and pressure data, reducing their environmental footprint and contributing to greener energy solutions. This seemingly small circuit will have a big impact.